Hi guys. Good. Good afternoon guys. No, it's me. My because of windy guys, my hat is fall down my hat. Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. Unboxing tayo guys. This is from Amazon. Unboxing guys. I don't know what. Oh, that's a lot. Look like you go to travel. Maybe you have a plan to go travel because why? Look like she going to the Philippines guys because every time to go the Philippines, guys, they bring like this, oh, her deodorant, her body soap. Oh, ready to travel na. Because you bought lot of deodorant and soap, soap saver. Yay, travel again. No, it's not. What is this? Oh, the smell, guys. Yeah, the smell so good, guys. Because the deodorant in the Philippines, guys, my husband don't like the deodorant in the Philippines. Do you like this, oh, kind of deodorant? And difficult to find in the Philippines. And this one, oh, very nice this. I think this is ano. Hmm, the box guy, you can put over here. Yeah. Very nice. You put everything over here, guy. Huh? Ah, this is traveling ah. Nice guy, oh. Hmm. The smell so good. You put over here the soup, your deodorant, your razor, your toothbrush. Okay. And so very nice. Stay clean. Mm. Very nice. Look at that. Mm. Yes, guys. Pickle jar. Nice. Paano nakapasok to, guys? Yung butterfly, guys. Pumunta ako doon sa ano, sa bathroom. Sumalubong sa akin. Tumakbo siya papunta sa ano, sa living room. Ano ba yun? Saan na yun? Tumakbo siya, guys. Saan naman to? Saan naman to siya? Takbo siya ng takbo eh. Saan na ba yun? Takbo na takbo, guys. Hey, guys. Good morning. Have grocery from Walmart, guys. That's price, salted crackers and grapes. The cheese, Yakult, onion, spring onion, guys. Clementine, potatoes, onion, white onion, cookies, sliced bread. This one, the chili boy, avocado, lemon, corned beef, pickle plate. This one, bacon, sausage, biscuit, the banana, mixed vegetable, and Yakult. And the total is $77.35. 4,620 in peso.